Hi, my name is Arya and I consulted Dr. Rajat Gupta for breast reduction surgery. So, when you talk about that, how important this procedure was, I think this is what I've been looking up, since my childhood days. Wherein, other girls, when I used to see them wearing whatever their favorite kind of brands and the bras, and I had the most sagging bra at a very, very early age. So this is how important it was for me to consult Dr. Rajat Gupta for this particular surgery. I would say it was not that very difficult for me to finalize Dr. Rajat. I came to know about him through social media platform, I would say Insta. And I think by going through a couple of the videos, I think today when we say that education is very important. And that's why when I am here, giving up and, notifying that this is how I came through. And I saw a lot of videos onto it, his, short videos over there that why is it important, to get it done and how easy the procedure is. That all gave me a lot of, confidence wherein, I immediately booked up a consultation and I was sold with the idea then and there by seeing so many results and so many surgeries that Dr. Rajat Gupta has performed. Yeah, I mean, when it comes to the Indian society and the Indian parents, they will never want you to do something, and that too when you're unmarried. And they'll always feel, what will happen in case if you conceive. Will you be able to, lactate your child in future? How it's gonna be? But I think, like I'm again and again mentioning, it's very very important with the kind of the doctor that you need, with the kind of the confidence that the doctor gives into you. And I think, like I said, as soon as I'm one person wherein who would have taken up so many consultations before finalizing on things. I love to do my research. But with Dr. Rajat Gupta, I mean, there was no second thing that I really wanted to go. And I was so comfortable with the very, very first meeting itself, seeing the results, seeing the patients, testimonials and all, that I was like, I really need to get it done. And I think when he also spoke with my parents and he spoke with my mother, the confidence that he gave, and I think, and that's how today I am here, giving up, one of the patients who is happily giving an interview, on what about, and I'm very, very happy with the results, what are there. So I would definitely recommend, in case, whether you go for it or you don't go for it, but please come and visit it's high time that, we come out and we speak about it. We come and see, okay, at least come and, take a consultation and the results would be something, that everybody would be sold for. That's how, it just took me a matter of, I think, not more than 1 or 2 days, wherein, I was like, I'm getting it done. And within the 15 days of the, taking up a consultation, I've already got it done. And I'm really, really very happy seeing my results and all. And trust me, I also would also like to say you, it's not painful for me. For me, it's like, some magic that has been done for which I mean, today I feel why I waited for so many years and I did not get it done at even an early stage of my life. On the day of the surgery, like I said, I've been waiting for this to get it done. So I think more than the nervousness, I was very, very excited. So I think I was one patient who was actually very, very excited about it. And I think, Dr. Rajat and his team really has given me a lot of confidence. And I would also say that this doctor also comes up with a sense of humor. So while doing all the markings and all, we were cracking up jokes, how it was post the surgery. I had a very, very great time, on the day of the surgery. Everybody in the hospital took really great care. And I think for me, even I was in general anesthesia was given to me, but I was absolutely fine, after a couple of hours post my surgery. My message to all the ladies out there is that please come forward. Like I said, even whether you want to get it done through the procedure or not, it is like, we're going up for a consultation. Please take a consultation without fearing or feeling that, it's a male or a female. I mean, we're living in a 21st century. You need to come up. And like we said, and like Dr. Rajat again and again emphasizes, he's a board certified surgeon. I mean, please read about his testimonials. Have a look at the kind of the patient reviews you've given. I'll be more than happy in case even if somebody wants to even speak with me. So today, maybe I'm wearing a mask and all just because of that. But trust me, in case even if somebody wants to even speak with me or the patients and I'll be more than happy to speak. I did a survey and all. Get it done from a board certified surgeon. Get it done from somebody who has mastered onto it. He's a magician. You can. I have not gone wrong. And trust me, the results are something that you have to see it and witness it for yourself, and that can only happen once you come out and take a consultation. So come, take a consultation, visit and see the results for yourself. Thank you.
Yeah.
If I have to actually talk about my breast was very sagging, and neither both the breast was also in shape. I think one was very white and one was very long, and and overall also if you will see my body weight is not much, and neither I used to get the kind of the bras that I should be wearing onto it. But today, when I see myself, if I just have to take an example of today, while dressing up, while looking in the mirror, I have a beautiful cleavage. My breast is in shape. Yes, I was very apprehensive that, what would be the kind of the shape and all. Even if I have to even mention, I'll be more than happy to say that I was 34 double D or even more than that. And today I see a beautiful cleavage with a beautiful shape, and something which is even lifted up, neither it's flat. So the results are beautiful. I'm very happy. I'm looking forward to wear and explore the kind of the garments that I would want to wear. So for me it's like a thumbs up when it comes to the results. Thank you, Dr. Rajat and the team. My experience, I would just say it's beyond excellence is what you have given to me. Like I said, today only in the morning while I was dressing up, like the actors do, I was actually looking at my figure and putting my hands on the body. I was so happy to see the results, and I was like, why I waited, but then yes, as soon as I came through you, the knowledge of the social media platform and all, I came through you. I wish I would have seen your profile even long time back, and I would have get it done. The doctors are so nice, they're so humble, they're so polite. I think for me this is the only place. Like I said, you are my magician, and you have done that magic to me. This is something I've been waiting since childhood. So thank you so much. With folded hands, I just want to say thank you.